Nigeria is ungrateful. Yes. All the things that Igbo people have done to Nigeria, they call it bad thing. But all the bad thing that Yoruba and Hausa is doing to Nigeria now, they are happy and suffering and smiling. Forget that when Nigeria is doing very good is when Igbos is on power. When Calabar was the head of the state, Nigeria was the world power that time. I'm not saying about Africa, the whole world. Nigeria currency bigger than China, it's bigger than America, it's bigger than Europe. Naira is bigger than dollar. Naira is higher than pounds. All those countries, Naira is bigger than their country when the power was in the east. But since they took the power to west and north now, look at Nigeria, everywhere have spoiled. To show you how power Igbo was and then. When Nigeria don't regard Igbo, when Igbo man is running this cement, he call Ibeto, is running this cement, every man is building houses. Every man was building houses because cement is very, very cheap then. Every man is building house. But since they removed the cement from Igbo man, took it to north, can a man now buy only one bag of cement? No. Now, men, people, guys are dragging their father's house. You will see man dragging with his junior brother and his senior brother in his papa's house. But then when Igbo is running that cement, the cement was cheap. In today's sense, 600, 500, 1,000, 1,200. Everybody is buying cement, building house up and down. But now, a man cannot even bought a bag of cement. Another man cannot even mow the block. And Nigeria is happy and they are rejoicing on it. Even very dark man will come and make a point that Nigeria is okay. And all of them is happy on it. But when Igbos are doing those things, they can never regard it. Check what dollar was now in Naira. But when Igbos power was in the easter side, Igbo side, look at how everywhere it was good. Dollar is baby to Naira. Pounds is baby to Naira. Naira passed dollar. When Igbo was in the power, Naira passed dollar, Naira passed pounds. But right now, look at what is happening, and they are happy on it. And he tell me that these people are not ungrateful. They are very ungrateful. That's why you see nothing good come out from their side. Look at their villages. Look at Hausa villages. Look at Yoruba villages. Nothing good have come out from there. If not be Lagos, Igbo is just helping them, building it as everywhere do okay. If not, Lagos having been messed up. But still, they will still pointing finger on Igbos. How these people have never get anything contribute on this country. Look at Igbo land. To show progress that these people are proving in Africa, not even in Africa, in Nigeria communities. As the young boys is hustling to make a living, these people are there, call Yoruba and Hausa, are there doing nothing. But they can point finger and speak anyhow. Look at what they play African Cup, when Igbo man miss a penalty. Look at what they are doing on social media. Pointing finger at an Igbo man. Forget that this same Igbo man make them live luxury life then. Igbo man make them build house, make their papa build house, that now they cannot even build house anymore. All this Ibadan yellow zinc is only house where they build when Igbo man was running that cement. Since Dangote take over that cement, Yoruba hardly to build house. If it is lie, prove me wrong. Since Igbo man remove hand from that cement, do you see any Yoruba or anyone from them building any house anymore? Not be house where they built since 1970. Still there. But Igbo still building till today. To show you how graceful these people are. But still, they will still come out and still pointing finger on Igbos. To tell you that these people is ungrateful. It's ungrateful. That's why you see nothing good come out of them. So how do you think that things good come out from anywhere in around, since people that don't like